Alright, this is another video for 3HD with a small explanation for exercise 56. It says the tunnel shown in 8.18 has a parabolic shape. The formula is this formula, and x and y are in meters. After some accidents due to the low ceiling, it's decided to increase the height. The new parabola is the result of stretching the existing one with a factor of 1.5. So here you see the original tunnel, and they want to make it higher, so I'm going to stretch it with a factor of 1.5. So what that means is that if, for example, you take this height here, you multiply it with 1.5, and then you get the new height. So everything will be 1.5 times as big. Yeah, so also here you can see that the maximum height of this tunnel is 2. So if you multiply that with 1.5, then the maximum height will be 3, because that's 1.5 more, right? If you multiply it. So you get a new tunnel, right? First it says generate the new formula for the tunnel. So we take this formula and you multiply these numbers, so all three of them, with 1.5. So there you get minus 0.75 x squared plus 6x, because 4 times 1.5 is 6, minus 9, because 6 times 1.5 is 9. So that's the new formula. So you can just write that down for question A. Then B, I actually already said something about that, because what's the maximum height of the new tunnel? So the maximum height here is 2, so if you multiply that with 1.5, you get 3, so the new height is 3 meters. And then the last question, find out whether a 2 meter wide and 2.4 meter high delivery van fits through the new tunnel. Okay, so the middle stays the same, the middle is still 4. If you make it higher, the tunnel doesn't move all of a sudden, no, it stays here, so the middle is 4. So if a van is 2 meters wide, that means one edge of the van is here and one edge of the van is there. Because if you go from 3 to 5, it's exactly 2 meters wide. And of course this van is going to drive in the middle, because if you drive here, you're going to hit the wall, right? So if you fill in 3 or 5, if you fill that into the new formula, so the formula we changed, if you get a number that's higher than 2.4, then you know that the van fits. If you get a number that's lower than 2.4, then you know the van doesn't fit, because the tunnel isn't high enough. So that's what you should do for exercise 56.